My name is Annabelle and I work at Maxima, Liverpool.
My name is Ian and I work at Mecca, Melbourne.
I'm Emily and I work in the content team at Mecca.
Je m'appelle Clémentine Vacher et je travaille à Mecca et je suis the social media coordinator.
My Mecca match is the Kevin Aucoin Etherealist Foundation in the shade EF01.
My Mecca match is Hourglass Illusion Skin Tint in the shade Nude.
My Mecca match is Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue in the colour Vanilla 2.
My perfect Mecca match is the one and only NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade New Caledonia. That was so sad.
My Mecca match is Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder Foundation in Sandalwood 15.
My Mecca match is Too Faced Born This Way Foundation and I wear the shade Warm Beige.
My Mecca match is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Buff.
My Mecca match is Bare Minerals Bare Skin Serum Foundation in Bare Tan.
My Mecca match is NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturiser in the shade Light Zero.
My Mecca match is NARS Sheer Glow in Punjab.
My coverage is full with a dewy finish.
The finish of it is super glowy.
Medium with a satin finish.
Barely Bare with a dewy radiant finish.
Light to medium and my finish is always glowy.
Definitely a full and the finish is a stunning satin.
Sheer to medium with a luminous finish.
It looks like you don't have makeup on. Your skin looks great. It doesn't look like you're trying too hard.
I love this one because it is a super kind of versatile foundation. You can really build it up to be quite full coverage, or if you're like me and you like it a little bit more on the natural side, you can sheer it down and wear it every day.
It is the perfect tone for my skin, which is really difficult to achieve for me.
It keeps my skin hydrated, that it's a really light, glowy coverage. It evens out my skin tone. It matches my colour really well. It's just an all-rounder. You can't go wrong. I literally wear it every single day.
It will last from the morning to night and I still get this awesome semi-matte finish.
It gives me coverage and it's totally buildable, but you can still see my freckles.
I like to apply the foundation with the Bare Minerals buffing brush because it just gives a really even coverage.
I use about half a pump of the Kevin and I just mix in about 2 or 3 drops of the primer oil. Mix it all up, pop it in between my hands and press it in, using as much warmth through my hands as possible.
With my Hourglass Vanish brush, it is a little bit dirty, sorry. It's nice and angled as well, so it gives you a really nice buff into the skin.
I like to apply this using my fingers. I find it really melts into my skin nicely and gives me a beautiful natural finish.
I like to go in straight on my face. I love to use the Hourglass Vanish Foundation brush and blend it out.
I like to use a big powder brush so I can get full control.
Is to mix some illuminizer in with your foundation and just gives you that extra glow.
I love to mix in a liquid bronzer with my foundation when summer comes, so I have a nice tan even when I haven't had time to buy a new foundation that's dark enough for me.
Is by putting a couple of drops of beauty oil onto a sponge and then pressing it on top of your foundation to give a really beautiful glow.
A foundation trick that changed my life is using the Hourglass Dim Light Powder just through the T, so it keeps me looking matte where I need it, but still maintains that nice luminosity.
For my first formal, my auntie did my makeup. The colour was so wrong, it looked like I dipped my head in flour.
I definitely went in and stole my mum's foundation because it was the only thing that I had access to. Thankfully, my mum is the Irish one, so at least the tone was kind of similar.
I have 3 girls and my third one actually dropped a bottle of foundation on my bathroom floor. Let's just say it was messy.
The minute the school bell rang, we would go to the bathroom and just like cake on foundation for the walk home.
My background is Chinese,
Filipino.
French, English, Australian, fusion.
Irish, which I don't think will shock anybody.
Cuban, Spanish,
Australian, Hungarian.
Guardian.
My background is Australian.
I was born in New Zealand and I live in Australia.